Students, today we are going to study chapter 8, cruelty towards animals. Human beings and animals coexist side by side. Human beings use animals for their benefits, but sometimes they are ill treated very badly. Animals around us. There are many animals around us. They are our companions, birds twittering in garden, cats, dogs, all our neighbor. There are certain uses of animals also, such as we get different food from animals. We get egg, we get milk, meat, fish, etc. Animals makes our work easy also, as certain animals such as horses, oxen, bullocks are used in farms and fields for the purpose of plugging. And different animals such as dogs and cats are our pet, and they guard our houses and entertain us. Some animals are used for ride also, such as camel ride in deserts, and other animals such as elephants are also used for ride. So we can say that animals and human beings are inseparable. That means they are an important part of our life. How happy are the animals? Everyone wants freedom. Freedom of life. That means everyone wants to be free. They want to be independent in their home. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are the animals that live with human beings, such as dog, rabbit, horse, cow, etc. But sometimes these animals are not treated very good. That means their master made them carry heavy loads, made them do lots of work, but does not provide them food and take care of them. That's why these animals does not get treated well. Animals for entertainment. Elephants used in circus, tigers are used in circus, although they are mode of entertainment, but their master or the caretaker of the zoos and the circus does not take proper care of them. Some people called as madaris keep themselves with monkeys, bears and snakes. Although they entertain people and get money, but they ill-treat them also. This is how animals are often treated with cruelty. The other come the poaching. That means hunting of the animals illegally. Poaching means hunting of animals illegally. Animals are hunted for different purposes, such as their skin, their bones, their teeth, their tusks, or their horns. These are sold at high prices. There are different animals killed, such as rhinos for their horns. Their horns are used for several uses. The other animals come the elephant, used for their tusk, that is the ivory. Tigers are poached for their skin, their bone and their skull. Different animals such as the leopards also are killed for their spotted skin, which is highly sold in the market. Other animals such as the sea turtles are killed for their shell as well as their meat. Other water animals such as sharks are poached for their fins. Many other animals are poached every day all over the world. Animal products. Many things are made from the body parts of the animal, such as the pashmina and the shahtoor shawl, which is made from a variety of goat and a Tibetan antelope. Silk is also derived from killing the silkworm cocoon, which is used to make silk thread, and silk sarees are popular. Jewelry pieces and etc. are made from the shell of the turtle and the tortoise. The ivory derived from the elephant is used to make show pieces and other items. There are different fur derived from different animals used for making pillows, cushion or warm clothes. There is finest perfume made out of the musk deer, which is sold at a higher price in the market. The best quality belts and the straps are made from the hide, that means the skin of the snakes and the crocodile. Endangered and extinct animals. Endangered animals refers to the animals which are at the verge of extinction. The endangered animals need to be protected if we want them to exist in the all over the world around. But there are certain animals which we cannot see presently on the earth. These are called as the extinct animals. For example, mammoth, dodo bird, etc. Some of the endangered species are tiger, mountain gorilla, African elephant, etc. Thank you.